Plenty of sunshine in the valley today. Late this afternoon, some clouds coming down from the north. Wait for it. There you see it. So it's not a clear blue sky this evening. There are some patchy clouds around the area, but for the most part, it should be mainly clear overnight. Patchy stuff shows up. During the daytime tomorrow, the sea breeze tries to activate. Model suggesting there's a little more moisture available, so we could see an isolated shower or thunderstorm tomorrow, pretty much any place in the valley. Wednesday, I'll be real surprised if we see much of anything. It should be a dry day. And then Thursday, just sunny skies and hot once again. You see, we've got a mainly dry forecast for tomorrow. That suggests probably 5 to 10% of the area could see that brief shower or thunderstorm. At this point, Wednesday and Thursday should remain dry. Temperature-wise, here's where we stand. It's still 101 in McAllen, still 108 in Rio Grande City, 100 in Edinburg. Everybody else in the 90s right now, except the beach, 85 there. A little cooler at the coast, as it always is. Add the humidity in, and it feels like 112 in Rio, feels like 105 in Raymondville, feels like 103 in Port Isabel at this hour. Overnight tonight, readings bottom out around 80, upper 70s, depends on where you are. The beach about 81 for a low, and then tomorrow we're back up over 100 in the west again, 90s in the east. You may cool off briefly if you pick up one of those isolated showers, but again, a lot of the area will stay rain-free tomorrow. The normal high for the end of July, early August is 97, and we're going to be right about normal the next few days. Probably not reaching record highs, staying about where we're supposed to be for this time of year. There's a front in Texas, believe it or not. The end of July, we don't see that very often, but there is one up there. You see the outflow kind of racing southward, and that's what's giving us the clouds today. The rain way north and kind of fading away, but as you look, there's the front up there, and that front will settle southward and trigger showers and some thunderstorms in the middle part of the state, but the front's going to die before it gets here. It gets close enough to help keep the clouds around into Wednesday, but by Thursday it already turns around, works its way back to the north as a warm front, and our chance of showers disappears until probably the weekend. Long-range models hint at spotty showers on Saturday and again on Sunday and probably Monday as well. But between now and then, not a lot. All quiet in the tropics. Africa, nothing coming off the coast. Still some dust mixed in, but not all that much. The Caribbean's quiet. The Gulf of Mexico quiet as well. So a very quiet tropical pattern right now, as it has been for the last week or two. At the coast, here's what's happening. Winds out of the southeast 10 to 15 knots with a light chop on the bay. UV index is extreme. The bay temperature is 84, the surf at 82. High temperature to the island tomorrow about 91 degrees. So for tonight, 78, mainly clear, warm and muggy, southeast winds, and then tomorrow right back up to 98 degrees. It's a mainly dry day. Can't rule out an isolated shower, but a vast majority of the area stays rain-free. I think Wednesday and Thursday are mainly dry, and into the weekend we bring in the chance for a shower or thunderstorm. We're not looking at rainy days Saturday, Sunday, Monday, but one of those days when your afternoon could be interrupted by a shower or thunderstorm, and then it ought to get back out of here pretty quickly once again. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.